Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Huawei Mate 80 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into two powerhouse devices that redefine flagship standards. The Mate 80 Pro flaunts an enormous 6.75-inch LTPO OLED display with an insane 8,000 nits peak brightness and 1120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, while the iPhone 17 Pro counters with its stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, Dolby Vision support, and ceramic shield protection. But which one truly rules in performance with the Kirin 9030 Pro versus Apple's A19 Pro chip? How do their cameras stack up with periscope telephotos and advanced stabilization? And what about battery endurance, build quality, and those unique features like satellite calling or ultra-wideband? Most importantly, can Huawei's insane brightness and outdoor mode beat Apple's polished ecosystem and pro video capabilities? Stick around because the real question is the Mate 80 Pro the flagship killer Apple didn't see coming? Starting with the display, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro commands attention with its larger 6.75-inch LTPO OLED panel featuring an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz and an eye-popping 8,000 nits peak brightness thanks to Huawei Kunlun Glass 2. This means unparalleled visibility even in direct sunlight and ultra-smooth scrolling. The iPhone 17 Pro, while slightly smaller at 6.3 inches, boasts a Super Retina XDR OLED with Dolby Vision and up to 3,000 nits peak brightness, plus the innovative Dynamic Island and always-on display. The Mate's extreme brightness and adaptive refresh rate give it the edge for outdoor use and fluidity. Under the hood, the Mate 80 Pro runs on the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset paired with up to 16 GB RAM, a formidable setup designed for heavy multitasking and gaming. The iPhone 17 Pro features Apple's A19 Pro built on an advanced 3nm process promising efficiency and raw power. While both deliver flagship performance, Apple's A19 Pro leads in power efficiency and ecosystem optimization, making it the top pick for sustained performance and app compatibility. When it comes to standout features, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro impresses with BDS satellite calling and messaging, a unique 700 MHz emergency communication band, and an outdoor mode that extends battery life up to 14 days. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro counters with its action button and camera control, emergency SOS via satellite, and ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip for precise spatial awareness. Huawei pushes boundaries in connectivity and endurance, while Apple focuses on intuitive controls and safety. The camera battle is fierce. Huawei Mate 80 Pro sports a versatile triple setup highlighted by a 50-megapixel wide lens with PDAF and OIS, plus a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto with 4x optical zoom. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with triple 48-megapixel sensors, including a periscope telephoto with 4x optical zoom and a LiDAR scanner for depth. Video-wise, Apple supports up to 4K at 120 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR and Pro-Ves, making it the choice for professional videographers. Huawei's Mate 80 Pro camera shines with its Super Spectrum sensor and AI image stabilization, ensuring bright, sharp photos in diverse lighting. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro ups the ante with an 8x optical zoom periscope, 3D sensor shift OIS, and Smart HDR5, delivering unmatched zoom clarity and dynamic range. Apple's zoom and computational photography outweigh Huawei's impressive but slightly more traditional setup. Battery capacity is a clear win for Huawei Mate 80 Pro with a massive 5750 mAh cell, promising longer usage, especially combined with its outdoor mode. The iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 mAh battery is smaller but optimized with the efficient A19 Pro chip. For users prioritizing endurance and heavy outdoor use, Huawei takes the crown. In terms of build, Huawei uses a front glass, fiber-reinforced plastic back, and aluminum alloy frame, which may feel lighter but less premium. The iPhone 17 Pro features ceramic shield on the front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, offering superior durability and a more premium feel. Both phones are water and dust resistant with IP68, but Huawei pushes further to IP69, allowing high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Apple adds conveniences like Apple Pay certification and a ceramic shield back. Huawei's tougher ingress protection appeals to rugged users, while Apple focuses on ecosystem perks. Memory options are competitive, with both offering up to 1 terabyte storage and up to 16 gigabytes RAM on Huawei versus 12 gigabytes on Apple. Huawei's higher RAM variants cater to power users needing massive multitasking, while Apple's tighter RAM management benefits from iOS optimization. Price-wise, Huawei Mate 80 Pro starts around $850 plus, significantly undercutting the iPhone 17 Pro's $1,099 to $1,500 range. This makes Huawei a compelling value proposition for flagship specs, but Apple's premium price reflects its ecosystem and brand prestige.